Hello guys, welcome to Prince WPSEO. Today I'm going to solve the problem slow index. If your website is finding difficult indexing in Google, once you publish content, it took 24 hours for Google to pick it. So I'm going to show you 3 steps to improve your website index very fast. Those method is very simple. You don't need to be a pro before you implement those methods. A beginner can implement it. So if you are new in this channel, subscribe, turn the notification bell. Once update anything concerning SEO, you get notification. And also please, if you have anything that is bothering you within SEO, leave a comment and I will reply you as soon as possible. And also please do hashtag fast index. That's what I want you to do in the comment section to boost the video to go viral for a lot of people that is facing that challenges to get solution very fast. This method is very unique. What you need to do is to follow me up to the end to see how to implement it. Most of you publish not less than, let's say, 5 contents in a week or in a day, and you made a lot of mistake. Your sitemap is the main thing you need to consider when you have slow index. Try to submit your sitemap, let's say, twice in a week if you have a large content. If you're kind of person that publish high competition keywords, like let's say for example you're under movie niche or music niche or any niche that have to do with trending or event, the easiest way to get your website indexed immediately once you publish content is to be updating your sitemap twice in a week. Another method is to add your sitemap in the footer. Another method is also to go to generate sitemap generator, then generate a sitemap document, then upload it to your root server. Let me show you how to do that. Now let's say for example if you publish 5 content in a week, what you need to do is to recopy your sitemap again and index it. It comes to a time that even though if you repeat this method, let's say 1 month to 2 months, Google will know the actual date you publish content, and you don't really need to come and do manual index. I have a website that I've tested this method is working. I resubmit my sitemap twice in every week. I did it for good 2 months, and Google start picking my content in seconds. Once I publish content, within 2 minutes Google will index it immediately to start showing in Google search. The easiest way so fast is to be updating your sitemap twice in a week. Repeat this process 2 months. Please come back and tell me what you notice about that process. And also copy your go to Google search and type sitemap generator. The first result you are going to see here, let me go back. The first result you're going to see here, sitemap generator, the first result. Just what you need to do for me is to click it, open it, copy your blog URL. Let's say this is your blog URL. Okay, this is your blog URL. Let's go there. So generate a sitemap for your blog and then upload it to your root server. This is also going to be under public. Google crawl your document. Those documents you allow Google to crawl. That's why I said in most cases also check your robot text if it's blocking Google from not indexing your blog post. Make sure you allow Google to index your blog post. And also it's very simple for you to just copy your blog URL, go to this website and paste it. Okay, once they generate the sitemap, this sitemap is going to take a long time because this website is very large. Let me look for a website that is the content is not that much. Okay, let me go with this text in one of my testing websites. Just copy it there, go to this place, let me cancel it, leave this website, let me cancel it, and paste that URL. Okay, give me time guys. And also consider adding your sitemap to the footer. Okay, the way you put about us, contact us, put your sitemap in footer. Once Google crawl your home page, they will definitely crawl any document within the footer. They are going to crawl it depending, unless you are blocking Google port not to crawl any document within your homepage. But if you are allowing Google to crawl any content within your latest homepage, it's also going to crawl your sitemap every seconds. So anytime you publish content and Google crawl your website, your homepage routes, they are going to index anything that have to do within the homepage entirely. So consider adding your sitemap to the footer below the place you add what your about us and contact us. Is very important. If you check most of the big brand website, most of the big sites, you're going to see they add their sitemap at the footer. This is a very good signal, because Google crawl the homepage every, let's say, even though Google is going to crawl homepage in 24 hours, and Google is recognizing that you publish every 5 minutes, or every 10 seconds, or every hour, they're going to pick to utilize the particular time you publish on those sitemap. Because if you're publishing on each sitemap, let's say you publish content, you have to do, let's say for example, depending on how you set your sitemap, let's say you set your each sitemap, one should have 1000 content, another sitemap should have 1000 content. In that aspect, once you are updating regularly, giving Google your sitemap twice in a week for good 2 months to even 3 months, Google is going to pick the how you publish your content, and that's how Google will take chances to be indexing your content very fast. Sitemap is a good signal. You are trying to tell Google that you have a new content, they should recrawl your sitemap, and if you make any changes, Google is going to take their time to also index it. In most cases, you are going to find it difficult in a new website, but the easiest way to pass this issue is for you to add your sitemap to the footer. Then make sure you come to this website, generate sitemap, upload it to your root server, then update your sitemap twice in a week. If you repeat this process in a week or in a month to 3 months, you're going to see changes in your index of your website or your web page. So in that case, once these things finish loading, what I need to do is just to download it, come to this place under your root server, okay, your HTML root server of that website. Just click upload that document. Okay, Google is going to crawl it too. Then come here again and resubmit sitemap 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week is okay, and also add your sitemap at the footer. That's all on how to make sure that Google crawl your website very fast in 2021. If you have any question and if you don't really understand, you can re-watch this video, and if you still not understand, leave a question. I'm also going to render help to push your business very fast. Have a nice day.